Last week Saturday, I decided to join the missions team on the soul winning day. I've been praying about it before that day for God to give me the wisdom and strategy for winning souls on the day. And God did give me one. So myself and my partner that we went with, his name is Seun. What we did was this. We just simply asked them, we are from Elevation Church and we are doing a bonanza. We'll ask you a few questions, take your phone numbers, and we will, depending on your answer, you will win a prize. And it was a great strategy because a lot of people opened up, and the simple questions was this: which church do you attend? So you tell them, they tell us the name of the church they attend, and then we ask them, have you given your life to Jesus Christ? And of course, it's a great conversation starter that just give, and the conversation sticks in direction where we're able to minister the gospel to them. The few people who understood what it meant to give their life to Jesus, we just told them, okay, congratulations, the gift we are sharing is Jesus and you already have Jesus. So we congratulate you and we encourage you to move on. For many others, they will start telling you, I go to church, I try to be holy, I do this, I've been Christian since my birth, all different kind of things, and that just gave us, the opportunity to minister the gospel to them. 9 souls were given to Christ out of the 11 people that we spoke with. It was a fantastic experience, and we really celebrate God for that. My name is Seun, and I'm unashamed of the gospel.